What comes between? दरमियान में क्या आता है? Dear children, now we learn to write the letter which comes between two given letters. प्यारे बच्चों, अब हम दिए गए दो हरूफ के दरमियान आने वाला हरफ लिखना सीखते हैं. What comes between J and L? First we say J, then K and L. J, K, L. K comes between J and L. So we write here K. What comes between L and N? First we say L, then M and N. L, M, N. M comes between L and N. So we write here M. What comes between N and P? First we say N, then O and P. N, O, P. O comes between N and P. So we write here O. What comes between P and R? First we say P, then Q and R. P, Q, R. Q comes between P and R. So we write here Q. What comes between Q and S? First we say Q, then R and S. Q, R, S. R comes between Q and S. So we write here R.